When using launch control, if you would like to see your own calendar, where it says My Calendar right here, you simply have to sign in. And there are two ways to make that happen. If I hit this sign in button down here, you actually see the options. You can either touch this button to sign in with your Microsoft 365 account, or you can scan the QR code with the mobile app. I'm going to go ahead and sign in with Microsoft 365 first. And now you can see I'm signed in. I've got access to my calendar and my agenda for the day. Now I'm going to sign out real quick. I'm going to grab my phone, and I've got the mobile app, so I'm going to go ahead and scan the QR code this time. And once I get the QR code in my phone, it will log me in the same way. And once again, logged in and have access to my calendar.